So now let's see how we can go ahead and insert our shapes inside of Jotboard. So to do that, over here on the left hand side, you can see that I have add shape option. Click on it and you can simply click and drag a shape right here. By default, you can see that I have this oval shape right here. So once I insert the shape, I can go ahead and resize it as I like, even rotate it out right here. So let's say, for example, if this is squeezed out, you can go ahead and rotate it right here. You can go around over here and change the outline, and you can even go ahead and change the fill color right here just by selecting it. You can click on the three dot button right here and you get other options for the shape as well. Apart from that, you can see that you can go ahead and click on the shape right here. That after selecting it, then you can go ahead and bring in other shapes right here just like this as well. Click on it and then click on the shape, and then you can see that you get the arrow right here as well. You can go ahead and resize it and go ahead and change this out as well. Apart from that, you can also go to fill and then choose transparent right here so that you actually have no fill color once more. You can even go ahead right here just like this and select bright color as well, like white, so that you get a white outline right here instead of the colored outline as needed. So that is how you can go ahead and utilize the shape tool as you like inside of Jotboard. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.